Pringle had a little pig. Not very little and not very big. When he was alive, he lived in clover. But now he's dead, and that's all over. So Billy Pringle, he lay down and cried. And Betty Pringle, she lay down and died.